All right, so you want to learn how to run YouTube ads. Guys, it is super simple. Really quick, just wanted to clickbait the puppies. Now I'll let them go and let them play. But it's so simple to run a YouTube ad. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to run subscriber ads to grow your account and grow your awareness. We usually call this top of funnel, right? So if you don't have a Google Ads account, go ahead and create one. I'm not going to do that in this video. I have other videos showing you. So first things first, create a new campaign. Focus is going to be to create a campaign without guidance. All right, so next step, we don't want to run a search ad. We don't want to run a performance max ad. We don't want to run a demand gen ad. We want to only run a video ad because this is going to be displayed across YouTube. So to kind of give you guys like an idea of when this is going to be played, let's just go ahead and click on this guy's video, right? So this video, I have ad blocker on, so I won't see any. But as soon as the video starts, where they have to usually skip the ad, is when your video is going to play, or throughout the video, whatever. This is where it's going to play, and this is where we want it displayed. We don't want it displayed anywhere in any of these sections. We don't want it displayed on the home page or anywhere else. We want it displayed in the stream, right? So let me just go back to my search setting that I had set up here. Google Ads for service businesses. Cool. So we want a video ad. Now, the campaign subtype is going to be for video views, right? So start new for me. Then we're going to name this top of funnel subscriber ad. There we go. Top of funnel subscriber ad. This is going to be the first thing people see about your business. Oh, I already have another one. So I'm just going to say ads. I already have a campaign that's named this. So cool. Top of funnel subscriber ads. Now we're going to untick this, only want it to be in-stream ads. Okay. Now for the example, I'm going to use a budget of $5. Right now, my other campaign's running at $50 a day. We can go ahead and ignore this and we'll switch this over to daily, $5. Then we'll go into networks and remove video partners on Google Display Network. This is just going to waste money and put it on different platforms that Google uses. It's just a waste of money, bad leads. So we'll just literally leave it selected as only YouTube. Now, United States is going to be our location. If you're in a different country, use a different place. Go ahead and make sure the language is only selected as English. If you service other people that speak other languages, cool, go ahead and select different languages. Next up, we can go ahead and skip all this. Make sure frequency capping says none. Devices, we'll set it to specific. And we're only going to select computers. Now, it's really easy to just skip the ad on the phone, and your best conversions are going to come from the computer. So just literally leave it selected as computer. I don't care what industry you're in, what industry you're marketing to, leave it as computers. This is a subscriber ad. This is how it will best perform. Frequency capping, cool. None of this we need. So now this is going to be top of funnel competitor. I can't spell competitor, so we'll just go ahead and use help. Top of funnel competitor targeting, right? So let's go ahead and skip all of this. We don't need to do any of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and minimize it. Same thing here. And we're going to go ahead and just select on placements. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use other like competitors' YouTube channels to take advantage of the audience that's already searching for them and their audience that's already with them. And we're basically going to advertise. So when they have YouTube videos playing, we're going to advertise on top of their YouTube videos. So people in my industry, this is in the mind of like how I'm strategizing behind this, right? So I run Google Ads for service businesses. I also teach coaching on teaching local businesses how to run Google Ads, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my niche, Google Ads for service businesses, see other people that are running local ads for these businesses and teaching them how to do it. Because this is where my ideal audience is hanging out. They're already searching it in. This is what they're going after, right? So people like Aaron Young, Jordan Lee, this is kind of a smaller audience. I don't want to hit him. But like Mike, and I know there's another one here, Ben Heath. Those are huge people that I need to be targeting because they have a 70,000 subscriber audience that I want to take advantage of. Now you're going to need 10, right? That's the one that'll give you the best performance. I think they also just require it. So you can come in here and type in their name. You might have to type in the link of their channel. Let's see. Ben Heath, Google Ads. So I'll go ahead and select that one. There's Jordan Lee. I can literally just type in their names and they should pop up. Aaron Young. Awesome. And then this is just what you're going to want to do for all of them, for all 10. And just go and find the ones that you want to rank with. There we go. Eric Preston. One Base Media. And I really wouldn't put anybody in here who has under like 10,000 subs. Grow my ads. Boom. I might just type in Google Ads, see who pops up. This guy's pretty big. And you want to make sure they're like actually going to be in your audience. Tradesmen, I know them. And then I think that I only need 2 more. So I'll go ahead and just add in Mike Massini. Unless I spelled his name wrong. Oh, it is this. Okay, cool. There we go. And last one, Colin Patterson. I think that is every. Oh, we'll also do this guy because I know he's big on the tradesman world, so I'd like to hit his audience too. Cool. So I got my 11 selected. Now what we're going to do is come down here. You need to have the video already posted. Okay. So the ad that you're going to run, you're going to view your channel. So if you want the ad to perform the best, it's usually good if it's an unlisted video. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a live video because I send this to a lot of people. When they inquire for my services, this is what I usually send them. This is what I have hosted on my landing pages, whatever. Usually you want it unlisted. I'm going to try it without it being unlisted just to see how it performs. But you just come here and click copy. It'll take this link. And if you guys want to learn how to unlist it, it's literally just by doing this. Once it loads, you just come here, public, and make it unlisted and then hit save. That's all it is. So I'm going to paste the video link here. And we're going to go ahead. Everything looks good. Looks good on desktop. Cool. Now, the final URL, we're going to go to our channel. Go ahead and go to your YouTube channel, right? Boom. View channel. If you're a local service-based business. Oh, you don't want to hear that. Cool. Now we're not done here, okay? We're going to add in an extra little part where we type in the question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1, right? So I'll go ahead and show you guys what this does. This is going to force them when they click on your ad and they go to your page to automatically have to subscribe. If you're a local sales-based, as you guys can see, that's exactly how it works. That's going to be our URL. And then we're going to want to go in here and just type in your name or your channel name. For me, it's just Kasey Kline. And then this is how it'll display across the channel. Now, we want to click on call to action. This call to action is going to be subscribe. The headline is going to be super short. For me, it's going to be just calling out my ideal client profile, right? My ideal client. So service business owner. And you can go into ChatGPT and literally ask, hey, give me my headline, my long headline, and my description for a YouTube subscriber ad. That is it. And it'll give you this is exactly what I did. And I just literally asked for this information. It gave me my description, my headline, my everything. It makes it super easy. So now we're going to go ahead and just say sub ad and ignore everything else. Cool. Remove this. And we're going to go ahead. It's saying you can improve your campaign's potential reach and performance by using a bid of 9 cents. Okay, cool. I'll go ahead and put 09. Oh, 09. We'll just go ahead and leave it like that. And then now you should be all set, making sure I didn't miss anything. You want to typically leave it pretty broad so that it can do the targeting and it can work on the targeting itself. But other than that, guys, so if you've ever ran an Instagram follower ad, just know an Instagram subscriber ad, it's not going to perform as great as an Instagram follower ad because we're betting on the content on YouTube to be nurturing our audience. The whole goal is just to get them to subscribe, nurture them, and then close them. Doesn't matter what service, what industry you're in, this will work just to grow your audience. Content nurtures, and then you close them, right? You can push them to Instagram DMs, down a funnel to a landing page, whatever, however you have it set up. Yeah. And then all you guys do is come here and click on create campaign. And now you've learned how to run your first YouTube subscriber ad. So continue to overview and you're done. You launched. You can come into campaigns and see that your ad is running. And that's as easy as it is, guys. If you have any questions, comment them below. If you need any help, shoot me a message on Instagram. That'll also be in the description. Yeah, hope this provided you guys value. Catch you later.